Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to make the table of contents on your document on Microsoft Office Word. First thing, open your Microsoft Office and open the document that you want to make the table of contents on. For example, here I just opened a book that doesn't contain table of contents. To do so, let's come here to place on the text and go home and click on the normal uh, style so that the table of contents will be the same style as this one. After that, we will go to references. Here you will find the ribbon concerning the references. As you can see, this is the table of contents section, and we will click on the table of contents icon. As you can see, now we can choose a style from here. Let's just click on this one. Uh, but first, let's just go up so it doesn't go with the text, and click automatic table. As you can see, my table of content has been created. First, let's just edit in home here. We can reduce the size, decrease the size, so it fits our page. For example, let's add a number or indexes this for the titles, like this. If we go to the table, as you can see, the introduction has no numbering. If we go to the table and just update, and we will click update the entire table, as you can see, uh, it added the numbering to the table of contents. Also, we can modify and update all the style that we want, the fonts, the size, the color, and everything that we want for, or we can just add a predefined style from Microsoft Office Word. Let's just remove the highlight. So this is how you make your table of contents. Thank you for watching and goodbye.